We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay account services unavailable. First thing you need to do is check Apple's system status page to see if Apple Pay services are temporarily down because service outage can prevent account access. Next, ensure your device is signed in with the correct Apple ID and that all cards are verified in the wallet app. Then confirm your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and has stable internet connection. After that, restart your device and try accessing Apple Pay again. Also make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for authentication. And if the services are still available, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions on your cards. Then reach out to Apple support for further assistance to restore full Apple Pay functionality. So that's it.